Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You have your raw data, so start by checking for impossible values and counting n. Next, find the minimum and maximum, then compute the range. Decide on bin width or number of bins, use sturges or a round width for clarity. Once decided, build class intervals that cover the full range and set up a tally column. Finally, walk through the data to assign each observation to a class and record frequencies. This first pass sets up every subsequent calculation. Once you have tallies, compute absolute frequencies, then convert to relative percentages and cumulative counts so you can interpret density and percentiles. Make a plotting choice: histogram for continuous measurements versus a bar chart for discrete categories. When plotting, align class intervals along the x-axis with equal widths. Set each bar height to the class frequency or relative frequency. Make sure axes use clear scales, mark tick values, and use a smoothed or stepped look only if justified by the data. Now finalize the visual. Add a descriptive title, label both axes with units, and include a legend if you show relative versus absolute frequencies. Annotate central tendency, mean, median, mode, or key percentiles to help interpretation. Once done, verify that the sum of frequencies equals n and that adjacent bins align exactly on edges. If bars look off, recheck class boundaries and rounding. Troubleshooting tip: if counts don't match, recalculate tally with a fresh, sorted list to find misplaced observations.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.